And I think the 808 on top of this, really a nighttime flyer, I think the 808 is recording. It should just be seeing grass right now. I have to plug it in. Okay. I hope we go good. Middle finger for all of the quads that are missing and lost and, you know, stray. Hold on, while I'm at it, when I make certain comments like, you know, something happened, I say the Russians did it, I mean no offense whatsoever to Russia, Russian people. This is just a takeaway, my takeaway of the old American phrase, my dog ate my homework. It seems in the West here we have a government that likes to kind of use the Russians as boogeyman. I'm just making fun of that. So to Russian people, when I make any type of joke like that, it's not any kind of funny pointing at you. It's a funny that I point at my own leaders and my media, because these reporters and these big corporations, they really think we're stupid, okay? And they think we're going to believe that. If this is still recording good, because the one on my head I think stopped. Hey guys, I hope you're not just joining me. I just flew my nighttime, the tunnel ram XKX 250. It was a decent flight. And then a group of kids came through and they had fun and said it was awesome. But I think the camera on my head either was not recording or stopped recording. So we still have a green light on this. And it looks like the 808 is maybe recording. So we're going to put it up in the air again. Now, the footage looked kind of crazy from the onboard camera of the tunnel ram. That's because I'm sort of trying to fly with the wind and the sun in my favor. Because, you know, we have a weight issue and this is a big bird. Even though it's a little bird, it's a heavy bird. And you know, I don't want to lose anything or crash. Anyway, hope you guys heard that. Russians are cool. I make fun, not at Russia, but at my media who thinks we're stupid and they like to blame Russia for, you know, saying that dog ate my homework. Man, give me a damn break. And Chris Riley. Regardless of what religion anyone practices, there's a power in prayer, so to speak, or positive energy. And that's what we're sending out for all of us. Love is a universal thing, man. And shit, I hate to go there, but freedom is a great thing. And you know what, man? We're free to love. We're free to not love. And, man, you just don't know how to appreciate that until someone takes it away. And, that's why I go here. Love you guys. I'm turning this off. Okay. Oh, P.S. As I start this thing up, I'm holding the tunnel ram rat rod in my hand. So the 808 is right near the steering wheel. But as I start this thing up, which I said is running off of a ecologically friendly soybean oil that I get from these vegetarian Mormons. So we're not offending anybody with this car, except you Toyota Prius people and you Google car people. You want people to drive autonomous or driverless cars. No, I'm sorry, I reject that. And yeah, big middle finger to that, man. This is not how it's going down. Not in my land. Not as long as I can help it. Fuck you. Hear me? And I got my flight in for the polar bears and the penguins. Okay, the polar bears, remember, they get maritime senility because of global warming, and the penguins, they start to go on camp, man. They're not tying their little bow ties. I mean, what's next? They're gonna have their little fucking cummerbunds hanging out. They're gonna be like, you know, a bunch of whole population of Al Bundys up there, you know? No, no. Okay, so yeah, I'm full on doing my share for global warming. All right, and there it is, man. Marky D out.